Okay, so I have now divided all the bags. All this is going into the bathroom. So it's all my toiletries, all my hair stuff, anything that I need to use in the morning. I like this space because there is plenty of room there on the bench for me to put all my things on. My rollers, my makeup brushes, my creams, my clips, everything I need every day. And I also bring my little mirrors there because I am a little bit on the blind side, as well as my LED light because the lighting in this bathroom isn't the best. Another thing I do is I have these little trays where I put all my products on, so that way I know that I won't be leaving any marks or any stains on the bathtub area, so that comes in handy. I've decided to put all the rest of the stuff here in the spare room where it's mainly clothes and blankets, because I do bring in my own bedding. I prefer to sleep on my own bed, my own sheets and blankets. And this is my own bedroom, and this is what it looks like now. And it's just so much comfier, and just I like to bring my own things. I also like to bring in my own crystals because I simply love having my crystals and all my incense and oils around. It's what I do because I am a Reiki healer, and I do use them. Not as much as I would like to, but I just like having them around me and just making my room as cozy as possible, so I feel comfortable. All this is all my desk stuff, so all my office things that will be going onto the dining table. There's plenty of room here for my laptop, all my electrical equipment, my study folders, everything comes out, and the dining table is just perfect. Alright, let's move on to the kitchen. I bring a few things to the kitchen, and I love it when there is a lot of space, so I can throw all my things on. Of course, I do tend to bring some utensils of my own that I prefer, as well as this little vegetable steamer, because some places that I have stayed at don't have it. So yeah, this place is ideal. And I mixed this up because I think that's all I had on me, because I didn't have time to do any shopping. So I will be eating this, but first, guess what? Yeah, it's time to do some laundry. The last house sit I was at, I did not get to do the laundry, so I thought, why not? Let's just do this now while the sun is shining, and let's get all this laundry out of the way. I also like to use my own washing powder. I don't use the Host because it's theirs and I know what I'm using. Okay folks, that's pretty much it. A nice empty car. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a like, and if you want, subscribe. Feel free to leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.